Welcome back to I'm Doing Stupid Things so you don't have to do it yourself. So what did I do today? About a month ago, I got on Wish to order some things for my daughter because she wanted some stickers and a few other things. So while I was on there, I thought it would be a good idea to order one of those mystery electronic boxes. And you know how those go. They always promise you, you're gonna get a phone, you're gonna get a computer, maybe a drone, or some really nice wireless headphones. We all know what actually you get 99% of the time. So I waited a month. It's finally here. I go and open the mailbox because I'm excited. Even if it's just a pair of wireless headphones, I could use a pair. When I open my mailbox, here's what's inside. This little tiny package. Now I ordered two of these mystery boxes. So you want to know what's in my little tiny package? Wired earphones. ×2. You would think, hey, she ordered 2. Maybe we need to send something else. But nope. Let's send her 2 of the same thing. So yeah, next time you're on Wish and you're like, oh, I should order one of those mystery boxes. Don't do it. Just don't do it.